This is a fun little site. You could use as many as you want to make a text banner in Ascii text. And all you do is scroll down until you find whichever one of these that you like. And I've typed the word banner, but it could be anything. And you click on that and type in digital art, for example. Let's see if I can type digital art. All right. And if I decided I wanted to do that one, now all I have to do is do a screenshot. When you click this, it'll let you color it, but you could always come into Photoshop or another editing program and color it. So at this point, we're basically ready for a screenshot. If you have a Mac, then that is Command-Shift-3. This is a PC, and there are more options for how to do this in PC, but they all use this print screen software. And it could be Control, Alt, Control, Tab, Control, anything. You pretty well have to either look up your type of computer or try them all out. In my particular one, I'm going to click the little window symbol and print screen, and you saw the screen turn blue for a second. That means it did it. But in mine and a lot of them, it will save it right to your desktop. What I have to do then is open up my software over here. There is one that I made a second ago. And then we go new. And I'm using this program that comes with every PC, or there may be a little bit more advanced if you have more advanced Windows than this. But my Windows pane is pretty simple because this is Windows 7. And then I hit Control V for paste. And there's the ones that I just did. So I can first then crop it. So I'm going to click crop. If you're doing this in Photoshop, you don't need a whole lot of tutorial on how to do this. If you haven't used Windows Paint, this is why I'm doing this. So I have selected the area and then I'll click crop. And there is my digital art sign. I could come in with my paintbrush, zoom in, which you use with your magnifying glass, and well, I went around it instead of zooming. Zoom in with my magnifying glass, zoom, zoom, zoom. And now you see I could come in with my paintbrush and color each one of those either with a bucket and a color or with a paintbrush. So I can paint the whole thing. When I'm done, then I click save. And this is saving it as a ping. You probably want to save them as a JPEG so you can put it on your blog. But I'm going to ask you to upload these unless you really like what you make in the assignments folder. And I'll have that in a little bit. And I'm just going to call this banner. And save it. And I already had one, but that's okay. And that's all there is to it.